Number 1. ISO 9001, the global quality standard. Would you buy a product if you knew it had no quality checks? ISO 9001 is the most basic yet essential certification. It ensures the supplier follows a structured quality management system. It covers process control, customer satisfaction, and continuous improvement. A supplier with ISO 9001 follows consistent quality checks and strict process documentation. The solution is always ask for a valid ISO 9001 certificate. It's the minimum quality standard. Would you trust a mobile brand with no quality checks? Then why trust a supplier without ISO 9001?